Do you want to split them up? I wish I had my vlog camera, but I just walked down to find Peach drinking water out of our little ice machine. I'm gonna do a quick little workout. I've just got a mat and I am on Melissa Wood's app. Her videos are so great. I think I'm gonna do 17-minute full body using your own body weight and just keep it simple. Fills my eyes. Exactly what I needed. It was short. That's the thing that I have been trying to remind myself, and I've really been realizing during this quarantine, is that you really do not need to put aside that much time in order to just show up for yourself, connect with your body, relax your mind, and just, you know, let yourself kind of be in the moment and stretch or whatever that looks like for you. That was only 17 minutes, but the amount of like endorphins that gave me and how calm and peaceful I feel. I don't know why I don't do this every day. It probably looks like I do this every single day because you guys are really seeing the highlights in these vlogs, but I'd say I do it like a few times a week. I would love to get to a place where I do it at least every other day. Oh. I get it. I think I might cut my bangs. Like for real this time though. My only hesitation is that I've never done this before. Also, I just don't know if I want to deal with that like every single day. I've just been like a middle part girl my entire life, but I'm also like quarantine. Theoretically, if I were to cut my bangs, I would probably start off by brushing my hair. If I were to cut my bangs, I would probably perfect my middle part like that. If I were to cut my bangs, I would part a little triangle. Start small, start small. If I were to cut my bangs, I would clip my other hair to the side. This is terrifying. If I were to cut my bangs, I would cut them now. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's no going back. Why does it feel so heavy on this side? Okay, now that we've done it, I'm like chill. Like now we're doing it. Also, if you guys are noticing, the look I'm trying to go for is like the fringe bangs, which means that they're really, really light and not too thick, just because my hair is pretty thin. So I'm not trying to do like a whole ass chunk in front of my forehead, if you know what I'm saying. Why is it so heavy on this side? I bet I'm just so used to having like some weird off-centered part that I'm just gonna have to like force my hair to get used to it. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I still need to go way shorter though. Let's make this triangle a little bit bigger so that we can start working on like the face framing pieces too. Well, like when the hair's down, it's still too long. Cute. But we're doing it. It's so scary. I can't believe you're doing it on your own. I can't either.
It's crazy talk.
Oh, yeah. So crazy. Love you. Do we keep going? I don't know. Ooh, I should get my straightener and curl. Yes. Tight. Bring it back down, bring it back down, bring it back down. I feel like I still need to go a little shorter. I don't want to have to cut it in like a week, you know? It's at a super cute length right now, but it's fully in my eyes. Look what we have here. You guys are causing all sorts of ruckus today. The bangs are in. Rebecca just parked outside because I've had one of her hydro flasks for like 3 months now, and I basically threw it into her car window, social distance style, because she's going grocery shopping and asked if she could have it back. Anyways, we were talking bangs because she's queen of bangs. Bangs, 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 bangs. I told her that my hair doesn't want to remove itself from its usual parting. So she said, get it all wet, blow dry it different directions, and that'll help like reset it. We've got like some face framing pieces going on, very chunky. Whew, the puppies made me run. We're gonna go straight down first for a little bit, then to one side, then to the other, is what she recommended. I'm looking over here into my little mirror because you guys are in my cabinet, which has the main mirror. I'm gonna curl my hair, do the whole shebang, see what it looks like, because I'm still figuring it out. That's it. I'm wearing my hair in a bun every single day for the rest of my life. This is what it's gonna be. This is my peak. I've decided this is my peak. I'm making a quick little snack. We're doing an egg with some avocado and sourdough bread. Oh, okay. I want to show you guys 2 exciting new items in my life. Starting off with my phone case. It's baby pink and there are little speckles in it. And then also it says peaches on it. Oh, it's so cute. This case is from Casetify. I have been a fan of their phone cases for many years now. They're so great. They're known for just being super protective for your phone, like literally. My favorite part about this is that it's 100% biodegradable, 100% compostable, and every single phone case purchased, a tree will be planted. The other thing I wanted to talk about is their UV sanitizer. I have seen this everywhere across like YouTube, Instagram. We have our phones with us all day, every single day. As much as we should be washing our hands, especially right now, there are times when your hands are gonna be dirty and you go to your phone because you get a text message or you want to check something. Literally all you do, place your smartphone in here. This is compatible with every single sized smartphone. As you can see, it's like fading in and out, which means that it's sanitizing right now, and that'll go for 3 minutes. So in just 3 minutes, 99.9% of germs are going to be destroyed in here. This thing is also portable too. I have it plugged in right now, and it also has wireless charging. As you can see, it is charging right now. The other cool thing about this is that you don't only have to put your phone in here. You can throw your AirPods in here, house keys, car keys, jewelry, anything that you're touching or putting on your body every single day, you can throw in here, close it, and kill off the germs. 100% of the proceeds are going to Global Giving's Coronavirus Relief Fund, which I think is just so amazing of Casetify to be figuring out ways to give back to our community and medical responders. With all of their efforts, they are launching hashtag Casetify Protects. 10,000 masks donated and counting. Now with every purchase of a reusable cloth mask, you're also supporting the donation of a surgical mask to a health worker in need. And also they are giving free sanitizing wipes with each order. And you can throw these in your purse if you're going out to get groceries or picking up some takeout or something. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description, of course. You can go to casetify.com/ClaudiaUV to get free shipping on your purchase of a UV sanitizer. Oh man, highly recommend Sugar Taco if you live in Los Angeles. Nachos, tacos, dessert. What is this again?
Horchata.
Horchata. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my matcha lattes, iced matcha lattes. It's taken me a few years to perfect this recipe. I think it's really easy to mess it up and sort of ruin the experience for yourself. I've been there. I've had really mediocre matchas. I've showed this on my Instagram story. A bunch of you guys asked to do it on YouTube so that you can jump back to it. So that's what we're doing. I've displayed everything that you will need. Obviously, you need some matcha powder. Always use ceremonial grade. This is from the brand Peak. It's It's their Sun Goddess Matcha. I need to figure out if they also come in like larger containers because these are obviously to-go packets, but this matcha is so good. I use an electric frother for my milk. The milk that I use is oat milk from Califia Farms. For sweetener, I use the New Naturals white stevia powder. I really like this sweetener. It's the best tasting one out of all of the stevia that I have tried. I'm making 2 glasses for Phineas and I. Also for tools, you really want to have like a sifter. This will just help keep like the matcha chunks to a minimum, especially since I won't be using any sort of hot water. I'm mixing it into cold water, so this step is really important for me to make sure that it's smooth and creamy. And then also for the mixing part, I have this little matcha baddie.
Matcha baddie?
Matcha baddie.
Is that how you're describing yourself? That is so cute.
That is very cute. To mix the matcha, you want to use a battery operated sort of whisk thing. I'm gonna add the matcha. Now I'm also going to add the sweetener, and I just have like a little spoon ready to go in here. I use 1/4 teaspoon. This stuff is a little stronger than sugar, so you want to use less than you would with regular sugar. I make this shit sweet. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to each cup. You definitely want to mix it right away. The fact that I'm making 2 in a row right now, I kind of have to like go back and forth. Set those aside. You guys have seen me use this before. It's from Nespresso. If you press the button once, it froths and heats it. If you hold down, it only froths it and keeps it cold. So we're going to use the second setting. I recommend doing 1 serving at a time, but I've noticed that if you add too much milk, it just won't be as frothy, and I like it to be really thick and foamy. I'm gonna add a bunch of ice, and then for the milk. Oh my God. Ooh, are you kidding me? Look at how much foam there is. That's perfect.
Do you like it? Is it good?
It's so good.
Isn't it really good?
Thanks, baby.
Uh-huh.
Every time, so good.
How is he so bad at cooking? Is this really what happens to young actors when they become famous? What has he been eating all this time?
Oh my God. Is it good?
So good.
Wow. Ignore what's going on up here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Once again, if you want to check out Casetify's UV sanitizer or the phone case that I'm rocking, I will have links down below. I love you guys so much. I am so glad that you guys have been enjoying my content lately. I've been having so much fun editing and uploading for you guys. I will have all of my social media links down below as well. Mostly on Instagram. I really don't tweet. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.